prosecution panel spokesperson, former Congressman Robert Ace Barbers, stop impeachment amid Duterte's ratings. This is not a pageant. Importante niya ngayon is for the public to see the evidence gathered by the prosecution in relation to the accusations against Sara Duterte. It is not important for us who is popular because this is not a popularity contest or a beauty pageant. The important thing that we have to see ngayon, kanina nagpalabas ng statement on truth, accountability, and the impeachment court, yung grupo ng mga taga-simbahan, Clergy for Good Governance. Sabi niya dyan, on the court's consideration of the bank, AMLAC, and BIR records in the search for truth.
Nagbabagang mga balita at pagtalakay sa mga isyu na lipunan. Bulsa, opinyon, banat at paglalantad sa katotohanan. Bulsa, what you see is what you get. You decide.
Hello po mga kababayan, si Dante Maravillas. Nag-react mga kababayan yung prosecution na team tungkol sa mga sinasabi ng ilang mga sa kampo ni Sara Duterte na dahil daw mataas na ratings, performance ratings ni Sara sa survey ng SWS na hindi natin maintindihan kung bakit mataas kahit sa ibang mga survey firm mataas yung performance ni Sara habang hindi man nagtatrabaho, wala man performance. At dahil dyan, mga kababayan, dapat daw na itigil na yung impeachment trial laban sa Vice Presidente. May ganon, mga kababayan? Kaya sabi po ni prosecution panel spokesperson, former Congressman Robert Ace Barbers, stop impeachment amid Duterte's ratings. This is not a pageant. The argument niya that the impeachment proceedings should be stopped because Vice President Sara Duterte enjoys high satisfaction ratings is misplaced, as the pursuit of accountability is not a popularity contest or a beauty pageant, sabi po ni Barbers. Correct. Unang-una, ito po mga kababayan na survey, hindi nga natin alam kung sino yung mga pinagtatanong nila. Kasi naman po mga kababayan, saan ka nakakita ng isang opisyal na hindi man nagtatrabaho by performance o malos? Ano yung mga surveys ngayon? Tapos yung ating Pangulo na kandakuba sa pagtatrabaho, negative ang pero nag-improve yung kanyang performance ratings, trust and satisfaction ratings. Nag-improve siya. Pero si Sara Duterte na wala mang ginagawa, may performance ratings. Panluloko po ang ginagawa ng mga survey firms, mga kababayan. Kaya sabi po ni Barbers, ang importante niya ngayon is for the public to see the evidence gathered by the prosecution in relation to the accusations against Sara Duterte. It is not important for us who is popular because this is not a popularity contest or a beauty pageant. The important thing that we have to see and to pay attention to is the presentation of evidence, sabi po ni Barbers. Correct. Hindi pwede nating i-ignore yung mga ebidensya. 4 yung articles of impeachment na kinakaharap mga kababayan ni Sara Duterte. Pag hindi natin pinanagot ang ganitong uri ng gawain mga kababayan, mamimihasa, magiging very very bad precedent, lalo na yung pagbabanta ni Sara sa ating Pangulong Bongbong Marcos kay Lisa at kay Martin Romualdez. Mangyayari niyan, magiging normal na, gagayahin ng mga ordinary Filipinos kasi hindi natin pinanagot yung isang opisyal. Di ba? At saka lalo na yung mali na paggamit ng pondo ng bayan. Yan ang punto rito mga kababayan. Kaya tama itong si Barbers. The people should be able to hear and understand the evidence in order for them to have their own conclusion or opinion regarding the impeachment discussion, sabi po niya. Lawyer Benjamin Tolosa Jr., one of the counsel for the prosecution team, who also acts as legal spokesperson, agreed with the Barbers' view that the impeachment niya is not a popularity contest. Tolosa noted that during the impeachment trial of former Supreme Court Chief Justice Renato Corona, a lot of people were also not supportive of the process. However, Tolosa said it changed after people were able to see evidence linked to the articles of impeachment laban kay Corona. That is why our constant request is for the people not to prejudge this process. Our appeal is for them to intently monitor and follow the impeachment proceedings and listen and examine all pieces of evidence, sabi po ni Atty. Tolosa. Kaya huwag kayong nagpapaniwala dyan sa mga serving yan kasi hanap buhay nila yan at ang purpose bilogin yung isipan ng mga mamamayang Filipino. Ngayon, kanina nagpalabas ng statement on truth, accountability, and the impeachment court yung grupo ng mga taga-simbahan, Clergy for Good Governance. Sabi niya dyan, on the court's consideration of the bank, AMLAC, and BIR records in the search for truth, for nothing is hidden that will not be disclosed, nor is anything secret that will not be become known and come to light. Sabi sa Luke 8:17. Ito yung lagi nating kinokot, nothing concealed which shall not be revealed, or hidden which shall not be made known. Yan ang sabi sa Bible. Ngayon, sabi po nito mga taga-simbahan, as pastors, we speak not from the partisan ambition, but from conscience. We do not ask the Senate Impeachment Court to convict without proof, nor we ask it to abandon due process. What we ask is that no shield of secrecy be used to withhold evidence, that the law permits the court to examine. The search for truth is not persecution, and public office is not a private shelter from scrutiny. Nakakaamoy members ng clergy. Sa actuations kasi po, nakakalata sila, actuations ng mga Duterte senators na haharangin nila yung mga ebidensya na ipipresent ng prosecution. Kaya sila nagpalabas ng ganitong posisyon mga kababayan, ng kanilang statement. So sabi nila dito, the Constitution declares that public office is a public trust. The principle means transparency and accountability are not burdens imposed upon public servants, correct? They are obligations that accompany the people's trust. The court's consideration of Anti-Money Laundering Council reports, bank records, Bureau of Internal Revenue records, and other relevant financial documents is not a side issue. These records may hear directly on the court's search for the truth and its determination of whether the constitutional standard of public accountability has been met. If evidence is lawfully available and materially relevant, it should be heard and weighed fairly, not obscured by delay or political pressure. Correct. Kasi sabi nga natin, kung naniniwala sila yung defense, kung naniniwala si Sara, wala siyang ginawang mali at walang nakaw na yaman, walang problema sa kanyang mga bank accounts, dapat welcome niya ito pagbusisi sa kanyang mga bank records, sa kanyang SALN, sa AMLAC, di ba? Kasi sa pag-present nito, yung BIR documents, sa pag-present nito, ay mapapawalang sala siya. Kung wala siyang ginawang mali, mapapawalang sala siya. Kasi malinis. Pero kung punong-puno ng anomalya, siyempre kailangan niyang panagutan. Kaya pa kinontra ito, mga senator judges, arangin, kitang-kita natin ang mga ginagawa nila. So ang ibig sabihin yan, alam nila, may instruction siguro, alam nila na madidiin si Sara Duterte. So alam na natin na guilty si Sara pag ganyan. Di ba? Kung hindi siya guilty, dapat i-welcome niya ito. Philippine law recognizes that bank secrecy is not absolute. Republic Act number 1405 expressly permits inquiry into bank deposits in cases of impeachment, correct?
whether AMLAC records and other confidential financial documents may likewise be examined under applicable law, presents a legitimate legal question now before the court, one that should be resolved according to the Constitution, the law, and established jurisprudence, sabi ng grupo. The impeachment trial of Chief Justice Renato Corona demonstrated that financial records may become material evidence in determining whether a public official has faithfully discharged the public trust. We therefore call upon the impeachment court to exercise its constitutional duty with wisdom, encourage to hear relevant evidence fairly, to resolve legal questions faithfully, and to remember that no office holder is beyond the reach of the Constitution. Nakalata po yung grupo ng clergy, kaya nagpalabas ng statement, yung Clergy for Good Governance. Our prayer is simple, that truth be revealed, accountability be upheld, and justice be done without fear or favor. May every decision of the impeachment court strengthen rather than diminish the people's confidence in the rule of law. May those entrusted with this solemn responsibility remember that while they render judgment before the nation, they also serve under the gaze of God, to whom every public servant is ultimately accountable. For everyone to whom much is given, much will be required. Quoted verse from Luke 12 verse 48. So yan po mga kababayan ang pinalabas ngayon na statement ng Clergy for Good Governance.
Di ba mga kababayan? So importanteng may pressure galing po sa iba-ibang sektor. Itong mga senator judges, wala tayong problema sa majority senators. Ang problema natin yung Duterte senators. Kasi kitang-kita yung bias nila pabor kay Sara Duterte. Sa kanilang mga pagtatanong, nag-aabogado na sila mismo kay Sara Duterte. Nandun na sila sa side ng defense team na po. Sumama na, kitang-kita mga kababayan sa kanilang mga pananalita. Alam na ninyo kung sino-sino. Di ba? Yan lang po mga kababayan yung mga additional issue ngayon, mga bagong-bagong mga balita. Ako po si Dante Maravillas. Bye-bye po. God bless.
Burning and lifting cream, pinapahid po sa mga pulses in affected area. Mainam po sa paninigas ng mga kaso-kasuan. Ito naman po, Automax Radiant Serum. Sa mukha naman yung application, anti-aging po siya. You will look 10 years younger than your age. Sa mga cancer patients naman po, baka lang gusto ninyo itong itry. Neng siya red mixed fruit drink. Hindi mo po siya gamot, food supplement siya. Kaya lang, gawa siya mga kababayan sa goji berry. Yung goji berry may anti-cancer properties. O ngayon, yung mga inquiries ninyo, dumiritso na lang kayo sa aming messenger sa Facebook para masagot namin agad. Ayos pa? Ayos na ayosan niya, Mr. Maravilla. Sa mga naghanap po ng malinis and spacious fitness gym, pumunta lang po kayo sa aming Colossal Fitness Gym. May Grab car rental din po kami. But anyway, ito po pala yung aming bagong product na binibenta online. I am worldwide amazing pure organic barley powdered drink mix from Australia. Negosyo to ng aking anak na architect entrepreneur Riz Maravillas. Ayan po. Kontakin na lang po ninyo siya, Riz Maravillas on Facebook. Ang mga health benefits niya, boost immunity, improves digestion, enhance energy levels, pack with antioxidants, prevent cancer. Ito naman po yung bago naming product na binibenta online. Eye Glow Serum, whitening po siya. Tingnan ninyo yung epekto sa aking anak na architect before and now. Yung mga inquiries po ninyo, dumiretso na lang kayo sa kanyang Facebook account, Riz Maravillas.